It's never easy to entrust someone with the care of one's loved ones. At My Family Care, we understand seniors value their independence, and our team is dedicated in helping them maintain it. By taking on the daily struggles and challenges they face, we hope to make their lives a little easier. Developed after a thorough analysis of the pain areas of senior living, My Family Care provides not just medical care for our seniors, but also daily challenges, causing stress for them, such as home maintenance, security, and travel and technical assistance, legal services, and many more. My Family Care offers practical and efficient solutions to almost any problem likely to be faced by seniors. Get in touch with us today. My Family Care, a community of love. www.myfamilycare.in 91-869-387-7777 info@myfamilycare.in